We are proud to introduce our double multi-layer vibratory barrel finishing machine, CWS series, a product that is compact yet capable of continuous production line processing while preventing chips and dents to workpieces. Unparalleled practicality is achieved with Tipton's patented technology that efficiently transmits vibrations through the unique CWS structure. The double multi-layer vibratory barrel finishing machine CWS series offers non-batch continuous production line processing that seamlessly connects one process to the next. Workpieces flow one by one through the hose at a constant interval, significantly reducing chipping and denting, which is a weakness of barrel polishing machines. The long polishing hose increases productivity, and wrapping it cylindrically saves space, giving our product by far the highest productivity per floor area. Additionally, polishing is done inside a completely closed hose to maintain a clean, splash-free work environment. Chipping is significantly reduced as easily chipped large neodymium magnets and ferrites have a low risk of colliding with other workpieces. Even denting in soft metals such as die casts is significantly reduced. The structure of the CWS series is extremely simple. A durable, multi-layer polyurethane resin hose is wrapped around the exterior of the vibratory motor located in the middle of the machine. The hose is doubled inside and outside and arranged in multiple vertical layers. A continuous and uniform spiral flow of workpieces and abrasive media is created inside the hose, and the workpieces are polished as they spiral through at even intervals. The workpieces inserted from the inlet are polished as they travel through the spiral flow, strengthened by the spiral guides inside the hose. The workpieces and abrasive media move in a spiral to follow the periodic circular motion created by the vibratory motor, forming a constant flow. Another attractive feature of the CWS series is the resulting uniform finish. The hose is tightly fixed to the frame, and the uniform distance from the centrally located vibratory motor to the hose transmits a uniform vibration throughout the barrel tank, resulting in a uniform flow throughout the hose. Inserting the workpieces one by one at regular intervals into this uniform flow prevents chipping and denting caused by contact between the workpieces. The workpieces fed later do not overtake the previously inserted workpieces either. Workpieces fed into the hose inlet at regular intervals maintain the interval in the uniform flow as they are discharged from the hose outlet. After polishing, the workpieces and abrasive media are separated by a sorting net. The sorted workpieces are discharged from the machine along the sorting net, and the abrasive media that fall through the sorting net are efficiently returned into the hose. There are several clear differences from conventional vibratory barrels. The CWS series is not only capable of continuous production line processing, but compared to batch-type vibratory barrels, there is minimal chipping and denting of workpieces as they do not come into contact with each other in the uniform spiral flow. Furthermore, as the workpieces are processed in a sealed hose, compared to open batch-type vibratory barrels, there is no splashing of polishing water, thereby maintaining a clean production environment. Compared to the straight-in line-type vibratory barrel, which is also capable of continuous processing, The CWS series has a patented technology structure that transmits vibrations uniformly from the centrally located vibratory motor to the entire hose, resulting in a uniform finish. The uniform flow prevents the workpieces from coming into contact with each other, reducing chipping and denting. On the other hand, the vibration force is weakened in the straight inline type vibratory barrel, causing uneven flow and increased risk of dents. The CWS also has better productivity per floor area than the straight inline type barrel. While the CWS is suited for relatively small workpieces of 100 millimeters or smaller, the straight inline type barrel suits large workpieces of 100 millimeters or larger. The CWS also maintains a clean production environment. The CWS series has a structure in which the hose is wrapped around multiple times, enabling excellent productivity per floor area while saving space. Therefore, the CWS series is space-saving and capable of continuous processing, which is ideal for unmanned production line barrel processing. As you can see, connecting 4 CWS units makes it possible to build a fully automated barrel processing line that covers everything from workpiece input to polishing, sorting, cleaning, and drying. The CWS series is available in 2 capacities, the 170-liter CWS 170 and the 450-liter CWS 450. Designs can also be customized to meet client requests. Easily integrated into a production line and automated, our chip and dent-free double multi-layer vibratory barrel finishing machine CWS series greatly contributes to stabilizing quality and improving productivity.